Hello, I'm going to use Google Sheets and Lawrence Anthony's donationware app TagANT to organize my vocab list, and then I'm going to use the Google Sheets add-on FormBuilder Plus, currently on free plan, to export a very simple Google Forms quiz. On the left, I have Google Sheets open. On the right, I have TagANT. Let's take a look. After copying the text into the input text field in TagANT, I made sure the language was set to English. Okay. At first, the display information was set to pos tag and output format vertical because I just wanted a long list. But it happens that this text has a lot of multi-word items, so I wanted to confirm details as I edited the original Google Sheets file. If you just have a simple list of words, I recommend just using pos tag as the display information. So we had this list. What are we going to do with it? Okay, this is optional, but I like to sort the list by pos tags. So we're going to go to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Range Sorting Options, Sort by column C where the pos tags are. Okay, I'm going to insert blank lines between each pos group. That means when I hit CTRL-SHIFT-ARROW, I'll be able to select a whole chunk very easily. Okay, so after carefully sorting out all of our vocabulary items by pos tag, let's randomize it. So we're going to go to Data, okay, randomize range, and we've selected everything, so randomize everything, and done. Now we're ready to start making the test. Okay. I don't want the pos tags in the test, and I want the Japanese words to act as the questions, so I'm just going to copy the columns into the right order. That means questions first and then the correct answer in the next column. Here's a randomized list of suitable distractors. Same NGSL level, same part of speech. So I just copy a chunk of these and move back to my test sheet. Okay, I'm going to copy using paste special, transposed. That means that what was vertical is now horizontal. Yay. Okay. Now's my chance to edit any of the items, remove any blank lines, remove any items that I've changed my mind about. Okay, the quiz will be worth 1 point per question, so I'm just quickly adding in the point values. I'm going to use a Google Sheets add-on called FormBuilder Plus, currently in free mode. If you install it, you should see it on the right. Here's FormBuilder Plus. We're going to simply build a simple quiz. Okay, I'm just going to choose the complete range. Okay, I want to make a quiz. Okay, the questions are in column B. The answers start at column C. The answers end at column F. Okay. The correct answer is in column C. The points are in column G. And I'm really just going to keep it simple. Go. Okay, does this look kind of okay? Preview. Okay, we've got the question item, we've got the correct answer and the other distractors. It's required because I set it that way. I haven't changed anything, but yep, okay, confirm changes, all good. Did my document pass correctly? Yes. Do I want to create a Google form? Why else am I here? Create. Okay, I might actually want to change this. Okay, so let's just give it a weird name. Okay, Now, you can either open the quiz and take a look at it, or you can import it right into this sheet, which is what I'm going to do. This usually means that the results of the quiz are going to be on another sheet in this file. Okay, I'm just checking the Google quiz. It has been randomized correctly, even though the first few items, the correct answer is in fact in the first position. Okay, I might want to edit some of these items, but other than that, it's certainly functioning correctly. And we are done here.